So friends, you will get everything here. 3,500 plus application source code, 3,200 plus website, HTML5, CSS, Drupal themes, Magento themes, PrestaShop templates, OpenCart templates, HTML templates, 250 plus Shopify themes. Also, you will get 200 plus WordPress landing page and premium plugins and theme, which you will get updates also, right? So these are the thing, and also you will get Elementor Pro and different types of landing page, and these are ready-made landing page. You just need to upload it, and there are video tutorial also available. Also, you will get 2 lakh plus ChatGPT prompts. It will be useful for your development. It will be useful for your marketing. It will be useful for any kind of thing you want. All are ready-made prompts, right? And also you will get 50 plus WordPress premium plugins and theme. Elementor Pro, WP Rocket Pro, Cutflow Pro, Dukan Pro, every premium plugin you will get. WP SMTP Pro and also you will get Smash Pro, everything, and you will get regular updates, right? These are licensed activity. This is not crack plugin. These are updated, and you can get regular update, and you can download, and you can use on unlimited website. We just made it for you, full ready made, right? So this all you will get with our bundle. Not just this, you will get 2000 plus source code extra bonus, and in the bonus section you will get different types of theme, different types of digital product, and we will get 20,000 plus backlinks data, right? Which will help your projects to rank on Google, right? And not just backlinks, SEO checklist and different types of links with high quality DAP and low quality, low amount of spam score. And these links are updated regularly, and you will get support in this. And everything is included only with this 2 3,000 plus package. Just go here, come into this page, and go slide down and click on get everything and get access. Thank you.